Alright, here's take 3 on experiment 3.2. The first time we used a small bottle. This is my daughter Kaylin, and she is trying very hard to not play with the balloons that I need to use in this experiment. So we've got experiment 3.2 about temperature. Now that you have now that you know a little bit about the atmosphere, you need to know why the temperature gradient exists and why it reverses twice in the homeosphere. In order to understand that, however, you really need to know what the temperature measures. Most people think that temperature measures heat. They think this because as temperature gets higher, we feel hotter. Although that is certainly true, it does not follow. Although that is certainly true, it does not follow that the temperature measures heat. To understand why temperature or what temperature really measures, perform the following experiment. So we've got some ice, some water, a plastic bottle, a balloon, a bowl, and we're skipping the eye protection today. This again is experiment 3.2 in the Apologia Physical Science textbook.
Where are we going?
So we're going to do this for another, until probably about 5 minutes in. The first experiment, like I said, we used a little water bottle and a large balloon. The second experiment, we used this bottle again, or not again, but for the first time. But then we used a little water balloon, which those take quite a bit to actually fill up when you fill them up with air. So we were able to hear hissing coming out of the top of the bottle because it wasn't able to form a tight enough seal. So we're going to actually go back to the bigger balloon, and we're going to do it with the same larger bottle. So I'm going to cool this, and as we cool it, the molecules. Hey, Kaylin, if you broke it, you need to go throw it away. Okay? It's okay. I'll give you the red one after I'm done with it. Okay? So again, as we're cooling this down, the molecules are actually going slower, and the ice, the energy that it takes to melt the ice, is actually taking energy, or the molecules in the bottle and the air molecules inside are going slower because they're giving energy to melt the ice in this case. Wow, my hand's getting cold. Not yet. I'm not done yet. I will let you know when I'm done, okay?
I feel like love it.
You what?
No.
You're going to have to wait, kiddo, okay?
It's bigger?
It will get bigger. Yeah, this is actually going to be pretty cool if it works the way I think it will.
Pop it?
You better not pop it.
Yes.
You're going to... Oh, is the experiment going to pop it? No, I don't think it will.
Oh, whoa, what is...
Do that again.
Can I do that?
You do it. We got some visitors here today and for the next week, so lots of kids inside the Sheets Eggersy house and Van Ostrom Eggersy house.
Where's a mouse?
Alright.
Where's the blue side you got those?
I'm not sure. But that's okay. We don't need them right now, okay? Is that thing still working?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Alright, we're getting there.
You?
Kinda.
Is that?
We're gonna wait until about 5 minutes in. Hey, can I have a little bit more space, please?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. You can sit right there, but don't touch anything on the table, okay? About 5 minutes in, then we're gonna attach the balloon to the top and remove the bottle, and then I'll go change the water from ice water to hot tap water.
Hot tap water?
Hot tap water.
What's hot water mean?
That's just hot water that comes out of the faucet.
Hot? I will get hotter and hotter and hotter.
Yep.
It will?
Yep.
So why is it called
Alright, 5 minutes has passed, so I'm going to put the tablet down. Let's see what we can do.
Can I have the balloon
Nope, not yet. I'm not done with it yet.
now? Not done?
Alright.
Did yours pop? Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can switch it.
Alright.
I gave mine to Kaylin for her.
Nice.
Don't put it in your mouth. You can use mine. No thanks.
Alright, we're attaching the balloon onto the bottle. Nope.
Okay. Can I have one? No. These two work with that, right? Right? Is that right?
I don't know.
No, I can give that to you.
Alright.
I want red one.
So we took the bottle out.
I want that.
Bottle's right there. Let's go change the water. It is not. Or is it filling up? It actually might be filling up because of the hot air. Is it hot? Mm-hmm. Alright. Man, the kids are making me feel like I'm missing something important. Alright, while we're checking it out. Don't touch, don't touch. Ah, it is from the warm air coming around. Look at that, that's kind of cool.
Wow, promise me.
Hey, don't touch it. Can you go? Hey, Day, can you go ahead and sit in your seat and not touch anything on the table for me, please? Whoa! Oh man, oh man. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's good.
We're playing a hot.
All right, now.
Now, can I have it?
Here, let's go over what we've done so far. All right, so we filled a bowl full of ice water, and then there was still ice in it at the end. We took the lid off the bottle. We held the bottle under the ice water. We held the bottle under the cold water for about 5 minutes, and then we put the balloon on, and it's already actually started to inflate because of the warm air around it when I took it out of the ice water. Then we took the ice water and took it out, and then we filled it up with hot water.
What hot water kind is it?
Let's see, as hot as possible. Step 7, once the water is as hot as it can get, fill the bowl 3/4 of the water with hot water. Stand the bottle in the bowl so that it is contact with the water for a few minutes. What happens? Alright, so watch this.
It's a warm. Yep.
Oh man.
This works much better. It's getting
No, you can't have it now, you goof. It's getting bigger. Oh my goodness.
It can't pop.
It's not gonna pop. This is a big balloon.
No, it gets bigger. It'll pop.
Well, it's definitely getting quite a bit bigger.
No, it should get bigger and bigger and bigger. Can I get it for 2K?
And as you read in the experiment, actually after the experiment, in the book, in the text,
Not yet.
the heat is being transferred from the water, since it's hotter than the bottle, since we cooled it down. Heat's being transferred from the hot water and speeding up the molecules in the bottle, and the air inside the bottle is moving a lot faster, which means it takes up more space, which also means that it's going to inflate the balloon. We'll let it go until 10 minutes. As you can see, the balloon's gotten quite a bit larger. Kind of neat. Hey, we don't throw things in the house, okay? We can throw things outside if it's safe to do so. That gave us a pretty good reaction, a much better reaction than the smaller bottle from when we did it in class.
I got the
Yeah, I see that.
Grandpa. What did David want?
Alright. I'm going to let it go another 5 seconds and we're going to cut it off. cut it off for the... We're not going to cut the balloon off. We're going to cut the video off. So, alright, and the last step is go ahead and record the results in your lab notebooks, or just the lab sheets. And then what I want you to do is, well, I'm going to clean up, and you don't need to see that. So, hope you're having a great week, and we'll see you in class on Wednesday.